So we've spun down the 60 cc's of blood, about 55 actually. When you donate a unit of blood, that's 500 cc's. So this is 1/10 of that. It sounds like a lot, but it isn't. This is the plasma. This is this is platelet poor plasma. Below it, we see this nice rim of platelet. This is where all the good stuff's at. This is the gold. This is where all the growth factors are stored. We're going to remove some of it. We're going to leave behind about 7 to 10 cc's, reconstitute this rich plasma layer, and then we're going to go ahead and inject it into the scalp. What this does is the trauma, along with the injection of the growth factors along with the platelets, which release them, will go ahead and reactivate dormant hair cells and will thicken the hair that already exists. This material could also be used to inject into the skin to increase youthfulness, get rid of fine lines, and improve the overall integrity of aging skin. Let's do this.